in Aetherion's heart, where the heat melts steel and shadows dance in firelight. A new Mecha Lord rises.
This place feels like someone set the sun on fire and forgot to turn it off.
Be careful, I sense something ancient.
You dare trespass in my domain, you will either be consumed or forged anew.
He's got firepower, literally. My lightning won't be enough.
And shadows melt in flame. We need a new tactic.
Maybe we can overload his core, hit him when his flames surge.
I'll cloak us. You strike.
You return, fools? No, my flame is eternal.
One step closer to home.
But why did Pyronex mention the Crimson Tyrant?
Let them come. I'll show them true chaos.